Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can deactivate your account like temporarily, or you can like delete it forever. It does take like a month to delete it, so if you're impulsive like me and you just want to delete an account like at that day, and the next day you just decide to come back to Discord, it won't be deleted. So go to user settings, scroll down, and there's this account removal tab. Disabling your account means you can recover it at any time after taking this action, but deleting it, you won't be. But after 30 days, you can activate it again. So select disable account, and just put in your passwords. I do own a server, so that's why I can't delete it. So if you want to do this, you'll have to first delete any servers you own, and I think manage as well. Oh, just like the ones you own, if you just like manage it, like if you're an admin, you won't need to delete the server. But if you do own it, just delete it first, and then you're able to disable or delete account. You're just going to put in your password. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Have any questions? Just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!